Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your low volume problem on REALME GT Neo 5. Let's begin. And we can begin with simply checking our volume levels. We can simply do that by clicking either of volume buttons. As you can see, our media is pretty low. So your low volume problem could potentially be simply because you have low volume. You can increase it by simply pressing our volume up, and our media volume is now much higher. So technically, your low volume problem should be gone. However, of course, sometimes this is not enough. Then we want to check our speaker and simply clean it. If you don't know how to clean your speaker, you can watch other tutorials on our channel about that, but generally speaking, you want to use some sort of soft brush, and please, for the love of God, do not use anything metallic, otherwise you might simply damage your speakers. Then there is also one simple thing that can not only lower the volume, but disable it completely. If we go to the settings, and in the settings, if we head into sound and vibration, we will see Do Not Disturb tab. We can click on it, and you want to make sure that this option is not checked on, because if it is, then whenever Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled, it will silence any media at all. So of course, if you have it enabled, then you will hear nothing. If you have it disabled, then there is nothing stopping your sound from playing. But if for some reason your low volume is still pretty low, even though you have maxed volume, you've disabled anything, there are pretty potential chance that you simply have a physical damage of the speaker, and there is nothing we can do about that. Of course, before we actually think that this is the solution to the problem, you can always try to go into settings, scroll all the way down, go into System and Update, Software Update, and simply check for newest software updates, because who knows, maybe your problem will be resolved in some sort of bug fix. However, if you have tried that and it's not helping, once again, there is a high chance that you are encountering physical damage, and in order to try to fix that, you need to go to some sort of mobile phone workshop nearby your area. And maybe they will help you there. I hope so. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.